Let's take a moment to review how we go about multiplying two fractions. Let's suppose we wanted to multiply the fractions 21/32 times 60/49. Remember what we do to multiply fractions. We just multiply together the numerators, multiply together the denominators. But pay careful attention to how I write out this next step. I'm going to write this as 21 times 60 over 32 times 49. Now, why did I do that? The reason that I didn't carry out any of this multiplication is that my next step is going to be to simplify this answer. And so I'm going to want to factor my numerator and denominator. I might as well take advantage of the fact that they're already partially factored. So my 21 times 60, 21 of course is 3 times 7, 60 is 6 times 10, 6 is 2 times 3, 10 is 2 times 5. My denominator, 32 times 49. Let's see, 32, that's 8 times 4. 8 is 4 times 2. 4 is 2 times 2. This 4 is also 2 times 2. And 49 is 7 times 7. So my fraction, when I factor the numerator and denominator into primes, becomes 3 times 7 times 2 times 3 times 2 times 5 in the numerator. Let's see, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 2's and 2 7's in the denominator. And now I can cancel the common factors that I see. I see one pair of 7's, one pair of 2's, and another pair of 2's. I'll have 3 times 3 times 5 over 2 times 2 times 2 times 7. And with fractions of numbers, I usually like to actually do this multiplication. I can use a calculator if I like. I'll get 45/56 as my final answer. One of my key points here, other than just this bare procedure, is I could have multiplied 21 times 60 and gotten 1,260. I could have multiplied 32 times 49, gotten 1,568. But then I would have had to try to factor these two numbers, which just doesn't sound like a lot of fun. Instead, I took advantage of the fact that they were already delivered to me in partially factored form. I'm going to give you one of these to try now. And again, while there are other techniques for multiplying fractions of numbers, I want you to specifically use this method, as this is the method we're going to be using with rational expressions. Multiply 35/33 times 99/40. Pause the video and try this now. Alright, so when we multiply, we'll get 35 times 99 over 33 times 40. And now, taking advantage of the fact that my numerator and denominator are already partially factored, I'll factor further. 35 is 5 times 7, 99 is 9 times 11, and 9 factors further as 3 times 3. 33 is 3 times 11, 40 is 5 times 8, 8 factors further as 4 times 2, and 4 factors yet further as 2 times 2. So So in factored form then, my fraction is 3 times 3 times 5 times 7 times 11 over 2 times 2 times 2 times 5 times 3 times 11. I see certainly an 11 that I can cancel, a 5, and a 3. What am I left with? 3 times 7 over 2 times 2 times 2. And I can work out that arithmetic if I'd like and get 21/8.